In this tutorial, I'll be teaching you how to dehydrate strawberries with either a dehydrator or oven. The first thing you're going to do is wash and pat dry your berries. Then you're going to slice your berries into 1/4-inch pieces. Just make sure they're consistent. Now you're going to set your oven or dehydrator to its lowest setting. Now you're going to lay your fruit out on a tray. If using an oven, lay down parchment paper first and then lay down the berries. You're going to leave your fruit in the dehydrator for 8 to 12 hours. If you're using an oven, you're going to leave it in for 3 to 4 hours and flip it halfway through. Your strawberries are done when completely dry. Add more time if moisture remains. Store them in an airtight container. I use a mason jar. They're best kept for 1 week at room temperature or 1 month if refrigerated. And that's it. I hope you enjoy.